Santa's little helper. Hey, I wish I was Santa. She could sit on my knee anytime. Oh, there's always one here. I think you should stop vehicles coming down here. It's spoiling view, man. Things at once. Watch mirrors behind me. Watch out for lions, tigers and bears jumping out. And trying to hold this selfie stick and ride a motorbike. We're white lining, look, we're white lining. We're not white lining like some of you guys know. Right, I'm gonna have to concentrate now. So I'm gonna have to do a U-turn. So yeah, oh no, there's three aeroplanes. So we have hit the road, Jack. We're just leaving Chang. I've just passed this this lady with a couple of kids on I don't know what tans I think they're called. Motorbike sidecar like that, right? I couldn't resist. Bless her. She sat in this little chair, look. Here, look, there. There we go! Sat in a chair. VIP, travelling style. She must only be about 4. But oh, it's heart melting stuff. But yeah, it's just, oh, it does. This is Thai culture. Thai culture. Amazing place to be. We are in the jungle. Well, it's the closest thing that I've seen since I was in Uganda working 16 years ago, 2008. Right, I'm just going to do a little vlog on the bike. Right, we are off. So a bit of garden stuff going on there, look. Propagators, whatever they are. That's not the right terminology. I'm trying to do 3 things at once. Watch mirrors behind me. Watch out for lions, tigers and bears jumping out. And trying to hold this selfie stick and ride a motorbike. I think that's 4. But yeah, so look. Not much traffic, but sod's law, innit? And I'm still using my helmet because you just never know. I haven't seen any farang for about 30 kilometres. But it's sod's law, man. I hope you can hear me. I've just realised I've got camera too far away. So yeah, I'll shout up now. Yeah, wind noise. No microphone. Keep it simple. And watch what you're doing with camera. So this is a bit of a straight road. Boring stuff. Someone might jump out and get me. You never know. So yeah, I've just left Chang bar area. Yeah, it was an experience. If you haven't watched the previous videos, have a look back. Yeah, let's say ladies are as easy, if not easier, there to pick up than Pattaya. Well, yeah, I had a good chat with two Thai ladies that own bars. Obviously, they'd been married to a Westerner. One spoke really good English. She'd spent 4 years in UK, married this guy, came back over here, bought a bar. Well, he bought the bar, but paid her name on it. 2 years later, she was honest with me. 2 years later, they split up. Guess where he is now? Back at UK. And she's got a bar and half his money. Usual Western simps come out here and get suckered into the Thai money pot. Right, some flags coming up. There's no UK flag there, no Union Jack. Where are we? Well, seeing distance there, that looks like an aeroplane to me. It's never Suvavabumi. No, it's Coffee War. So we'll go and have a look. Right, we're off. By police, it'll be a 500 baht fine, but I ain't seen one. I ain't seen one in 2 days. So yeah, we'll chance it for 500 baht because I'm videoing one-handed. Life's about risks. You've got to take them sometimes. I'm not sure whether you'll be able to hear me. Hopefully, let's have a look. Utapao Airport. I'm gonna have to do I think I'm gonna have to do a loop round. Chicken. Oh, there's a boat. Odd lad there collecting plastic. So yeah, we are just approaching. Hey up. Like I said, trying to do 3 things at once. I missed the bumps. Right, we're white lining, look, we're white lining. We're not white lining like some of you guys know. Right, I'm gonna have to concentrate now. So I'm gonna have to do a U-turn. So yeah, oh no, there's 3 aeroplanes. So there you go, look. If I'd have took a left there, that would have took me onto the motorway, which you are not allowed on the motorway with a motorcycle. Some guys there, not sure what they're up to. Look. Man in a shirt. Maybe buying some land or something. So nice looking gaff there. And also neighbour there, look. Won't be cheap. Now then, where are we? Well, I think previous videos explained. Explained. One does try. No it. Yeah, I'll do it. I'll open it. Eh? Go on, girl. You can do it.